The Miracle Morning is a book written by Hal Elrod that has become a true bestseller in the self-help and personal development genre. The book serves as a guide on how to transform one's life, achieve success, and happiness by using principles and practices related to the early morning hours. The main idea of The Miracle Morning revolves around the concept that developing a habit of waking up early and effectively utilizing the morning time can radically change our lives. The author asserts that the morning is a time when we can engage in self-improvement, take care of ourselves and our goals, and kickstart the day with a positive mindset. He suggests incorporating 6 key practices, which he calls savers, into the morning routine. Silence, meditation, or simply a moment of quiet and peace to calm the mind. Affirmations, positive statements aimed at reinforcing self-esteem and confidence. Visualization, imagining one's goals and desired outcomes. Exercise, physical activity to improve health and energy. Reading, mental nourishment through reading motivational books and materials. Scribing, journaling or writing gratitude letters to foster positive psychology. Opinions about the book can vary depending on the reader's prior habits and approaches to self-development. For those encountering self-improvement for the first time, The Miracle Morning can be an excellent starting point as it offers simple and concrete actions that can be integrated into everyday life. However, critics of the book point out that not all the presented methods are suitable for everyone and are not a one-size-fits-all solution to life's problems. Some individuals may not feel comfortable with early rising, especially if they lack a consistent sleep routine. Additionally, the effectiveness of these methods may depend on individual personality traits and preferences. Overall, The Miracle Morning is a motivational book that can help you make positive changes in your life if you are willing to accept the challenge and follow the principles proposed by the author. However, like any self-help book, it is essential to approach it with an open mind, adapt the presented ideas to your needs, and not take them as the only absolute truth.